morning, dear children. Let us start the class today. Today we are going to learn about place value. Place value we have already learned in the last class, but today we are going to learn about how to form the numbers and the difference between place value and phase value. Okay, so the main objective, the main aim of the topic for today is we are going to learn to form the place value and to find the difference between place value and phase value. Before starting the class, let us take a short recap of what we have learned in the previous class. In the previous class, we have learned about place value. Okay, so what is the place value? That means the digits in a number which tells us about their position. That position is known as the place value. On the other hand, the complete opposite of place value is the phase value. Phase value doesn't depend on the position. It is the number itself. Okay. Then we have learned about numbers. We have learned about writing numbers using periods. Okay. So there are two periods that separates the number. The first is the ones place. And what are the ones place? That is ones, tens and hundreds. The second one is the thousands place, and the thousands place are 1,000 and 10,000. Alright, that means we have learned the 5-digit number: ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Then we learned about expanded form. So what is expanded form? That means expressing a number as the sum of the position or the place values of the number. Okay, so when we expand a number, there is the number 0 is there. Okay, that means we take the digit in the particular position, whether it be ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000, and along with it, the position defines by adding the number 0 to it. Alright, then we have also learned to write the number using the place value chart, and the writing of the number is known as the number name. Okay, and number name is the way how we pronounce a number. Okay, so these are the various topics that we have learned in the last class. Okay, so today we are going to learn about forming the place value. That means forming a number using the place value chart. Alright. So let us look, suppose if a question, values are given here, alright. So some values are given here and we have to put the numbers accordingly, alright. So these are the abbreviation, that means these are the short form of the particular position. That means we already learned in the last class, T8 means 10,000, T8 means 1,000, H means hundreds, T means tens, and O means ones. Okay, so we have to put the numbers accordingly in the place value chart. Okay, so there are, I have made some columns here and there are titles: ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So when we are writing a number, we always start from the right hand side. Alright, and this is the first: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And then when you go to higher classes, you will get 100,000, you will get lakhs, you will get crores. Okay, so in class 4, we are going to learn particularly about 4-digit and 5-digit number. Now if it is a 4-digit number, then 10,000 will be not there, only ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay, now if it is a 5-digit number, then the number column 10,000 will be there. Alright, now we have to put the numbers accordingly. So what is in the ones place? The number 1. The 1 will come here. What is in the tens place? Is the 0. What is in the hundreds place? It is 3. What is in the thousands place? It is 4. And what is in the 10,000 place? It is 8. Okay. So remember children, when we are placing the number in a place value chart, we always have to start from the right hand side. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So how do you pronounce, what is the number name or how do you pronounce this number? So we separate them. Okay. So there is an invisible comma here. Do you remember? We separate the ones. This is is ones and this is thousands. Okay, so between the ones and the thousands place there is a invisible comma which separate them. So it will be, since 4 is in the thousands and 8 is in the 10,000s, so it will be 84,301. Alright, so you understood? This is how we place number on a place value chart, and the pronunciation is 84,301. Alright, so the next topic is we have to find the difference of place and face value. Alright, so how to find a difference? Alright, so I am taking a random number here. This is 98321, and how do you pronounce that? So I put a comma here. It is 98,321. Alright, now if I ask any number you can pick up and find a difference. I am taking 3 here. Okay, I am taking the number 3 here. Alright, now the 3 is in the hundreds place. So what will be the place value of the 3 here? So it will be 300. Alright, and the next is, what is the face value of 3 here? I already told you face value doesn't depend on the position. So it will be the number itself. So I will put here just 3. You can take any number from here. I have taken 3. Now to find the difference, we have to subtract face value from place value. Alright, because the place value has got a higher value than the face value. Alright, so what is the place value here? It is 300 minus the face value is 3. So when we subtract 300 minus 3, we get 297. Alright, so in this way we can find the difference between place value and face value. Children, one more thing. Why we are using the place value? We are using the place value. First, it is about the position. The second, we can put the numbers in their position. Okay, but in real life, where place values are used? Okay, place values are used to count the currency or the amount of money. Alright, so if it is a huge amount of money, then we can count using the place value chart. Also, we can use place value to count the population of a particular place, whether it be a district, a city or a state. Okay, so in this way, place value can be used either to count money, to count population and many more things where counting is required. Alright, so today we have learned about forming the place value using the place value chart. This is the place value chart. Then we have find out the difference between place value and face value. Alright, the notes I will be uploading in the PDF file. So I request every one of you to go through the notes and homework. Okay, and with this I conclude my video for today. Thank you and have a nice day.